These guys did a good job. They are going to help us make liquid lasagna. All right. Now we all know lasagna, right? All right. Test. Lasagna is a layered dish. In lasagna, you have a layer of sauce, you have a layer of cheese, you have a layer of pasta, you have a layer of squid, you have a layer of... You've never had squid on your lasagna? But the fact is, it's a layered dish. So, what we're going to do is we're going to make lasagna layered liquids.
Throw it.
So, we talked about molecules. Some are bigger, some are smaller. They said they're so tiny you can not even see them by themselves. What? Are they bigger? Are they heavier and lighter, or are all those tiny little things all the same size, same weight? I'll rephrase that. Are molecules some heavier, some lighter, or are molecules all the same weight? What do you think?
All the same weight.
All right, we're going to see.
All the same weight.
We're going to see by testing the weight of different molecules. All right. Here I have syrup. In here, syrup is simply sugar mixed with water. In here, the sugar, the water's water. What do I have here? I have a chemical solution. Good. All right, now, don't eat it. Here I have liquid soap. In here I have soap mixed with water. The soap is soap, the water is water. What do you think this is? This is a chemical solution. Don't eat it. Here I have rubbing alcohol. In here I have alcohol mixed with water. The alcohol is alcohol, the water is water. Here I have a chemical solution. Really don't eat it. What we're going to do, wait, what we're going to do is pour this in here. And we're going to find out if it's heavier, the molecules of sugar are heavier, they'll sink to the bottom. If the molecules of sugar are lighter than the molecules of salt, they'll float to the top. But what we need to do is now learn what scientists want. And we learn what they do when they get what they want. So first of all, listen very carefully. What scientists want more than anything in the world is a grant. A grant is money to do your work with. And to get that, you have to guess something's going to happen. But you can't say, well, I guess this will happen. Nobody will give you a grant. What you have to say is, I hypothesize. Good. Hypothesis is like a guess, but you get grant if you get it. So we will hypothesize that this is lighter or heavier. And if we get our grant, I'll show you what scientists do when they get their grant. So, how many think the molecules of syrup are lighter than the molecules of salt water? All right. How many think the molecules of syrup are heavier than the... Oh, many. All right. We will hypothesize thus. Hands in the air. That noise in place. Hypothesize. Syrup is heavier than salt water. Ready? Hypothesize. Syrup is heavier than salt water. All right, wait. Pour it in. All right, if it sinks to the bottom, we get our grant. Slow back over. If it floats on top, we do not get our grant. He's squeezing. Here we go. There we go. A little higher. Don't drip it on the floor. That's a mess. Yes. If it floats on top, we do not get our grant. If it sinks to the bottom, we do. Wait.
It sinks to the bottom.
Wait. Did it sink to the bottom? Are the molecules heavier than the molecules of salt?
Yeah.
Did we get our grant?
Yeah.
Right, sit here. Listen very carefully. This is what scientists do when they get their grant. Very few people know this. They look both ways. Let's look both ways. Ready? They look both ways. They close their office door. Close your office door. And when they know no one is looking, they are free to go. Boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. That's what they do. All right. So, ready? We look both ways. We close our office door. We know no one is coming. We got our grant, and we are free to go. A boom, shakalaka. There I have soap. Here, the molecules of soap are mixed with the molecules of water. The soap is soap, the water, water. Right next to your sink at home, you have a chemical solution. How many think the molecules of soap are lighter than the molecules of salt? How many think they're heavier? Lighter? Heavier. Lighter has it. Hypothesize, bust it. Ready? Fingers in the air. I hypothesize. Soap is lighter than salt water. All right, here we go. And wait to the side so your audience can see you. And if it sinks to the bottom, we do not get our grant. If it floats on top, we do get our grant because we hypothesize correctly.
Yeah.
Wait, did it float on top?
Yeah.
Are the molecules lighter than salt water?
Yeah.
Ready? What do? We close our office door. Oh, sorry. We look both ways. We close our office door, and no one is coming, and we are free to go. Wait for it. Wait for it, and... Here we have rubbing alcohol. No, wait. Here we have rubbing alcohol. This is the type of thing you put on a cut if you're insane, because it really, really hurts. But the fact is, it is alcohol, it is mixed with water. In your medicine cabinet at home, you have a solution. How many think this is lighter than soap? How many think it's heavier? Heavier has it. I hypothesize. Alcohol is heavier than soap. All right, buddy, here we go. And he's going to pour it very gently because you don't want to make a mess because this stuff stinks. All right. And if it sinks to the bottom, we get our grant. If it floats on top, we do not. If it spills, it stinks very badly. Did we get our grant? No, the molecules are lighter. So the fact is, and here's what we do. You stand over there, bud. All right, so, you know what scientists do when they don't get their grant? Listen very carefully. They reapply. Next year they try again. All right, now, here we have liquid lasagna. We have salt, we have syrup, we have molecules of salt water, we have soap molecules, we have alcohol molecules. And they stay together because they're the same density, basically. Now, also you notice that they stay together in a way because on their surface, the molecules when they're liquid are holding hands, remember? They're kind of, in fact, we say they're sticky. Not just syrup, but even water can be sticky. And they hold together. So we're going to look at that next. Give these guys a hand. Good job.